don't want to fail. Mom, what would you do if I fail? Would you tell me it's okay? Would you be disappointed? Would you believe in me for me? I don't know what to do. I'm scared. Will my efforts be enough, Mom? I don't want to fail. This world has felt and familiarized my footsteps for 2 decades now. I am 22 years old, and the world has already offered extra spaces for the same souls, such as mine. Sometimes I like to think that the world is a reflection of my own inner frictions, that the world is just like me. It has already confronted a myriad of disappointments in all its lifetimes, from people, the sun, the moon, and itself. Because after all these years, why isn't it getting better? Why is the earth progressing backward? Like it's dying more and more the more it tries to live. As if the earth isn't achieving anything. As if the earth is only dragging itself from one failed attempt to another. As if the earth is scared of giving up because the people living in it would only blame it for its downfall. As if the earth never gave enough when the earth did unravel the concept of disappointment. I'm 22 years old, and I first saw what disappointment looked like when I was 17. I saw it so clearly, so vividly, in detail, what faces your failure creates. The world works so hard to make everyone around her proud. But sometimes, no matter how much you try, no matter how much you aspire to do, well, failure will ensue. It was deceitful to believe that trying until my body gave out would be enough. I didn't finish with honors. Disappointment had a face and it was petrifying. It was horrifying because disappointment took form in your mother's confused face, in your grandmother's appalled voice, and in your sister's silence. Disappointment was heavy, like a grief that plagues you whenever you go and whatever you do. It haunts me when I study. It haunts me when I fail a test. It haunts me when I say my final grades. It haunts me. It's haunting me right now. When the earth experienced disappointment from everything around it, what did it do? What did it think? Are my efforts are not enough? Are my dreams not for me? I just want to graduate and help my family and make them proud. Where did I go wrong? What did I do wrong? Will I see the face of disappointment again? I have been independent my whole life. Everyone thinks I'm smart, that I can do just about anything because they assume I'm good at everything. Everyone thinks I can accomplish anything I work for and they think it's easy. Because it's me. Because I never complained. Because I never told them how much I was struggling. It wasn't the validation or the praises that made me so hard on myself. It was the thought of failure. School's fine. I'm tired, exhausted. I'm okay. I'm afraid of failure. I'm not okay. I want to achieve all my dreams. But what if I fail? How do you cope with failure? How do you move that past that disappointment? I have a lot of dreams, but would you be there a lot of failures too? How will I face them? The fear constantly makes me feel uneasy. They say failure isn't fatal, but look on their faces made me want to die. I worry about my future every single day. I want time to move faster so I can begin reaching for my dreams. I want time to be on my side. I want the world to understand me. Please, let me get what I want. Please let me have everything I'm working hard for. Please, I hope failure won't make me fear continuing. I become a child when I am hurting. Mom, help me hold on. Mom, I don't want to fail again.